Okay, this is just a preview video of this absolutely lovely little Austin 7 Ruby that's arrived. 1936, lovely car, really well finished. I've just drove it round from the house to the farm. Absolutely great fun to drive. Got the best brakes I've ever seen on an Austin 7. Really has. We'll sell it with a full MOT. It's got no issues. All the lights are working and everything. It's got some indicators added. I'll show you where the switch is in a minute. Picnic basket included. Gorgeous inside, absolutely. Look at that interior. Headlining, sliding sunroof, all the wipers and everything are working. Indicators have been added there, look. You can hear them beeping away. There we go. Everything else is working. There's a jack under there. This seat's on a slider, so even tall people can get in. Some spanners over there. Tyres are all good. Lovely underneath. I'll get some pictures underneath later. This is obviously just the first arrival picture. A couple of badges there, look at that. It's a nice, lovely car. Okay, this is just a preview video. We will make a full video and show you a full demo of it driving and everything later, but this has just arrived. Righty, the engine's warm, so hopefully she should just fire up.